Hi everyone and welcome to your fourth C++ tutorial. Today we're going to be learning about numerical operators. The 5 basic numerical operators in C++ are addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, and modulus. Modulus is represented by the percent sign and is how you find the remainder of a division problem. So first we're going to work with addition. So int x equals 5, int y equals 6, int sum equals x plus y. And then we can output sum, and we'll get 11. There, we got 11. So we can also do this a different way. We can also do cout x plus y, and when we run this, we'll also get 11. We can do this with doubles too. We can do double 5.5 and 6.01 or whatever. We can do x plus y. We can also create a sum variable, which is x plus y, and output sum, and we'll get the same answer. The next operator is subtraction, so we can do int x equals 10, int y equals 6. We can do int z equals x minus y, and then we can output z, and when we run this, we'll get 4. We can also do this just by outputting x minus y, and we'll get the same answer. And this can all be done with doubles, both ways. We can do x minus y like this, and we can do double sum equals x minus y. And we'll change these to 10.9 and 6.11. After we output it, we'll get 4.79. The next operator is multiplication, so we can do int x equals 5, int y equals 4, and we can do int sum equals x times y. The times symbol is the asterisk. So then we can do cout sum. And when we run this, we'll get 20. We can also do x times y in the cout, and then when we run it, we will get also 20. We can also do that with doubles. The next operator is division. So for division, we could do int x equals 20, int y equals 5, and int sum equals x divided by y. And we can output sum, and when we run this, we'll get 4. We can also do this with doubles, so we can do double x, double y, and double sum. And I'll make this 20.4 and 5.92. And then when we run this, we'll get 3.44595. We can also just output x divided by y, and it'll give us the same answer, 3.4495. Now the last operator is modulus, which is used to find the remainder of a division problem. So if we do int x equals 20, and then int y equals 4, and then we do int ans equals x modulus y, and we output ans, then we're going to get 0, because there's no remainder of 20 divided by 4. But if we change this to like 6, then we're going to get 2. We can also do these with doubles, so double x equals 10.8, and double y equals 3.6. However, if we do double ans equals x modulus y, we're going to get an error, because there is no remainder if they're both decimal values, since it'll just be one long decimal. Now we're going to be looking at some shortcuts for addition and subtraction. So let's say you have int x equals 5, and you want to make x go up by 1. You could either do x equals x plus 1, or you could just do x plus plus, because putting plus plus after a variable in C++ adds 1 to it. The same is true with minus, so if you wanted to do x minus 1, you could just do x minus minus, and it gives you the same thing as x minus 1. But what if you want to add more than 1 to x? Like if you want to add 5 to x, you could do x equals x plus 5, or you could do x plus equals 5. They result in the same answer of 10. The same is true with minus, so x equals x minus 5 is the same as x minus equals 5. Well, that was it for your 4th C++ tutorial. Please like and subscribe, and don't forget to turn on notifications so you won't miss any new videos. And if you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.